get out the car and go solve the problem anytime that I want. But I had no plans on getting dirty when I got up this morning. So until further notice, I'm just sitting here thinking about life. Alright, I gotta hurry this shit up because I forgot that it gets dark and it's gonna get cold again. So yeah, we're gonna hurry this shit up. Yep. Oh, this ain't nothing. These are just the obstacles that I put in front of myself because I hate myself. I'm a BMW guy to the core, but let me show you where Mercedes wins. Spare, and look at this. Who thinks of that? Like, who even, you, German engineering. Yeah, it's also not a game. Let me show you the secret compartment. You know what's behind door number 1? Gloves and paper towel, because I am not about that getting dirty life. We got it on deck. Now, if you care about your rims at all, you get yourself one of these from AutoZone. Will stop it from getting scratched. And then I got this joint. Actually, I don't remember where I got it from, but it's nice and compact, folds up, you put it together. Hey, say what you want to say, but the purpose of this paper towel today is to not mess up my damn shoes. So, you know, we're just gonna do a little something like this. Then I'm gonna step on this raggedy effort. Ooh. That's just how tight the damn bolts are. Now, you see how the car is still on the ground and I'm loosening the bolts? Save your energy. Step, bro. Use your weight. The reason you loosen the bolts while the car is on the ground is because 1, over time the bolts tighten, so they're going to be really tight. And 2, when the tire is up in the air, the wheel moves, so you're not going to be able to hold the wheel still and loosen the bolts at the same time. So use the weight of the car to loosen those bolts. Simple as that. Pretty boy advice number 865. If you ain't trying to get dirty by getting on the ground, take your damn mats, put them joints on the ground, kneel on those, and then look for the jack hoist point, which is right here. Again, more German engineering. Look how they designed that jack to go right up in there. Let's see, I'm laying on this mat. Right now it's my bed. I hope this shit don't fall over though. I'll be upset. Okay, I ain't gonna hold you. There's one scary part about this whole exercise. You see, you're gonna have to kick the shit out of that tire if it's been on there for a while. So this is where I get nervous because this jack might fall over. So you gotta be really careful. My worst fear is confirmed. The damn tire is not coming off. So I gotta kick this motherfucker. Okay. Pray. God, please don't let it drop. I don't feel like doing no more work. Okay, it didn't drop. Yes! Yes! Ooh, damn. No wonder the damn thing ain't holding no air. I didn't even know that was good. She's nice. Thank you, Job, please. Thank you for keeping me safe. Thank you. Hey, minimize the danger. As soon as you put the spare on, make sure you catch 2 bolts just in case this little temporary jack fails. Alright, I caught my tool and just put on the rest so I can get up out of here. When you tighten the bolts, hand tighten them while the car is in the air and do it in an X pattern. So this one, then an opposite one, then this one, and an opposite one, and then you could do this one last. But drop the car and do the final torque. The reason you want to do that is because if I tighten them in a regular circle, what happens is these 3 will tighten, but these 2 will loosen, and the wheel will actually sit like this. And you're not going to see it. But when the car starts rolling, it's gonna vibrate like madness. And when you're done, go to a gas station and put air in the spare. Or if you're like me and got one of these things, you just sit and wait. So what is it, 61 PSI? Yeah.